Muyumbe wa Kiliumbunge cha Matungulu Stephen Moula ni wavuthise muno utongoi wa President William Ruto na Minister Muvyani wa Kinandu John Mbadi kwa kila mule waweta takulekelelia muno maundu ma kisomo. Mule ainena skuluni wa sekondari wa Kinyui SA aweta kana silikali vadhi mbesa mbinge maunduni matena vata na nia hivu kui silikali kuweta kana vaina ilo vyambianu siya maundu ma kisomo oila enende mavinyewe ni maundu ma ukwati. Kumano na kihini wa mwenda President William Ruto kuivetanga kivilane ni kuithiwa muvango wake munene ni kuvitha ilo vya siya maundu makonete maendeyo va Kenya na tiwo watho wa silikali kui mwenende. Boni mutisia na mauvo.
Akomanite nasi alimu mwana manyua skulunu waitwa Kinyui Moula wetakana silikali ya umunthine na uvinya maundu ma kisomo na President William Ruto ende na kuwa ndorosi ya kisomo ila siatiwe ni President Udhumu ya Mwai Kibaki.
Parents and Kenyans, we must wake up and say no to colonial dictatorship of William Samoei Ruto. And I have reason to say that. It is good to say one time, but parents, you need to know what is happening in the country today. Yes. It is too painful when John Mbadi wakes up and tells Kenyan parents they need to come back to their pockets and add money for school fees. Kibaki left for us free primary education, free secondary education, which must continue without fear of ever because we are Kenyans and we want the legacy of Kibaki to go on.
Mulenthi nune ni waki wetakana nundu wa kumacha kuona Minister Muvyani wa Kinandu wa mwana President maendeno vathi ya ilovia maundu ni matena vata kana mataleta idhuwa laine ni wambe.
Mr. President and John Mbadi, listen to Mheshimiwa Mule today. You are saying you don't have money for our school and for our students in Kenya. But you are busy securitizing money from sports fund to build a 44 billion stadium at Ngong Road so that you can host African Cup of Nations and squander the money. Mr. Mbadi and Mr. Ruto, you have gone ahead and securitized tourism fund to build Bomas International Conference Center, who we don't know who it will serve, instead of giving money to education in this country. John Mbadi, you are telling Kenyans you don't have money for school fees. I want to tell you, Kenya has money. You are busy looking for money to build churches in your state lodges, not for Christianity, but for political theatre, for those who want to come to pray for you. I want to tell you, we don't need any church in State House. We'll go to our churches. What are you doing, Mr. President? Killing the future of this country. And you are saying, no money to schools, but you have money for housing fund.
Vai weta na wezo muyo mwito kuya sitho ni menda na ulika ngusuni na kuiva mairo mama skulu o ila silikali sukumeta maundu mombe na mwene ndiwende na uvinyeka ni maundu maki okwati.
And you are telling us, oh my, we need to go back to our pocket. You have raided our pockets too much, Mr. President. Our pockets are dry. Now you want to rain our pockets again, whereby you are telling Kenyans through Mbadi they must add 6,000 to make sure that these girls remain in school. No money to schools, and you have money to give to Kindiki to go and do women empowerment. You are saying you have no money to schools, and you have money to put up a 44 billion stadium for one event. Oh my God, come!
Kumana na kia imwenda President William Ruto kuyumbanya kuinuka nthini usakwani ulaungi ukite na motangaliko ya ulei maisa itikilao na vanini kuvindesia na kuona maundu maende na kuele lukua.
Mr. President, pack and go. Enough is enough. Now for us who have interest in this country, we are going to tell it the way it is. You will say that we are politicking. You will say that we don't have a plan. Mr. President, I want to tell you, we as the opposition, we have a plan. Agenda number 1, Ruto must go. Mr. President, I want to tell you, you are saying we don't have a plan. We are busy putting our plan and we must hide it from you as long as you can't see it to improve so that we can send you home. We have a plan. Mr. President, you are telling us we be bold enough to show you our plan so that you can copy it to redeem your image. Your image is irredeemable. You are going home in 2027.
Kuma wa Matungulu kaundini ya Masaku, Nyenito Abuni, Mutisia.